Hey guys, before my dad starts this video, don't forget to smash that like button
and subscribe
and hit that notification bell
so that way you can be notified to see the new video.
We're going to go over Eternal by Chance the Rapper. I'm going to show you how to play it. So it's a great song that has a lot of great movement or whatever. It's a hip hop song, it's a rap song, but the way Chance is like kind of fused it where it's got a little bit of R&B flavor to it. So I definitely want to show you what's going on. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Also click the bell so that way you can always see whenever we drop a new video. All right, so let's jump right in. So this song is in B flat major. So it's really doing a lot of just half step, like in between two, which is that C minor, so that B flat, B minor. So the song is in B flat major, so B flat minor, C, D, A flat, back to that D. That's really all it is. So again, it's B, C, D, E flat, back to that D. All right, let's play along with the record. Okay, so the song is really simple and it's repetitive, but there's things that we want to do, like adding those hammer-ons. It's really simple, just adding the hammer-ons. So it's just about the simplicity of adding the hammer on. And the thing about these different kind of songs is you want to be really intentional. It's easy to find yourself doodling and kind of doing whatever, but have the discipline to really understand and really do exactly what you're doing. Also, if you have any kind of questions or anything like that, leave a comment below. I definitely want to check out your questions or your feedback. If you love the stuff that we're doing here, I implore you to go to kerry2smooth.com so I can teach you even greater at a deeper depth to really how to unlock your full potential and the fretboard so you can play the way that you've always wanted to play. So that's it for this week. Hope you have a good time. Like I said again, if you haven't subscribed, already subscribe and click that bell so that way you can be notified whenever we drop a new lesson.